Hello and welcome to this tutorial, which is about the 81720 train of Metrostroy, the Ghost model. And first we need a train spawner. You can get it on entities and then Metrostroy, and then you choose a train spawner. You choose the 81720. I take one coach, but you can take as many coaches as you want. I use a default skin, but you can also use like other skins if you have some. Yes, choose spawn and put spawn. By the way, this is a map of the German Berlin metro or subway U6 and U5, which is quite nice and is better for the performance. I will link in the description. Then you need the train reverser wrench. You can get it on other in the weapons category, and you can get it here. Now you have to enter the train or the cabin. Yes. Activate some of those switches, like the first and second ventilation group, the passenger lighting, the cabin lighting, the headlines groups, the cabin lighting power, the motor compressor, and the PBE. Then sit down. Yeah. Sit down. Thank you. And now you have to use this thing. You can either use the buttons if you just click them via left click and use this as the enter button, or you can use your keyboard, but only if you have a numpad. So if you're playing on a laptop without a numpad, or you just have a keyboard which doesn't have numpad, use these keys. You press the Alt key and then press 1, 2, 3 and 4 and press the Alt Enter key. ALT, I don't know how it's called in English. Press it again, and now you see one red square. If you have more coaches, you see the coaches as red squares. So if you have like 3 coaches, you will see 3 red squares. Now you have to press Shift and 9. And then press 0. Now you can see that lights are turned on. And press Alt and numpad enter again. Now using the beep, but that's normal. It stops. It's normal. Sorry. Activate the ticket and press G. Now you could drive the train, but it will stop at 20 kilometers and will start braking, which is not very useful to drive it. So you remove the ceiling by pressing it once, then open the button cover and press the ARS button. Now you don't have to press the space again, but only press it once. Sometimes the train doesn't work otherwise. Now press R to lower the brakes and press W to accelerate. The train has 4 levels of accelerating. To brake, you can either use F, but this brake is it works, but you should only use it if you have to. Normally, if you now accelerate. By the way, you can see a speed limit here. Sorry, I got my zoom on the key where the horn is. Just use S to go back or go into the braking area, which has more efficient brakes. That was a tutorial how to use the 81720. I hope you liked it, and I hope to see you in the next video. And bye.